So today I have the Babycakes cake pop maker. Now my kids, they couldn't leave it alone. They opened up the box and lost everything. So I don't know if anything actually came with this besides the manual. I don't even know where the manual is. But this does look like any of the other cookers that are kind of automatic. So you just put the batter in, close it, and it should automatically cook it. And we just keep an eye on it. Now this one is rated for 500 watts. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use just a cake mix because I'm not a baker and I'm not gonna mix something up just for this. But I'm gonna use a quick cake batter and then we're gonna give this a try. Like I said, I'm cheating today. I'm gonna use a Betty Crocker mix. If it works, it works. It doesn't, it doesn't. I don't care. All right, so I don't know how much to actually put in, so let's try this. All right, round one. All right, so at least in my experience with other little cookers, it shouldn't take very long. Oh yeah, they're already looking pretty good. I'm gonna give it just a little bit longer though. All right, so I have no idea where all my toothpicks have gone, so we'll just try a stick and I'm gonna do one and we'll see if it worked. Nope. All right, so they are done. So this actually works really well and really fast. It only takes a couple of minutes. I don't know what you'd actually use to make the cake pops, but I figured this is good enough. But if you're looking for something to make little cake pops or even little cake balls, this one works pretty well. Something easy even for the kids to use. Like I told you, they got a hold of it before I did. You can make 9 at a time, so you get 9 every couple of minutes. And this one is the Babycakes Minis. But if you want to make some cake pops or even some little cake balls, grab you one of these. This actually works really well. And this is really easy for the kids to use.